Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Splunk 9.4 Enterprise Edition on Ubuntu Linux 24.04 LTS version. First, download the Splunk 9.4 Enterprise Edition. So, open any web browser, then go to Splunk official website, that is splunk.com. See, Splunk is now a Cisco company, okay. So, click on products. Then see here we have the free trials and downloads, or click on free Splunk, both are same. If you are unable to find this option here, so at the bottom also we have the same option. See here we have the free trials and downloads. So click on products, click on free trials and downloads. See here we have the Splunk Cloud Platform, Splunk Enterprise and Universal Forwarder. Now we are going to download Splunk Enterprise. So click on Get My Free Trial. See, try Splunk Enterprise free for 60 days. No credit card required. And see here version is 9.40. To get free download, we have to fill all these details. After that, you have to click on create your account. Then we will receive email like. Then we have to click on verify your email or click on the link that you received in your email. Then you will directly go to the download page. So I have already registered, so click on login. In your case you have to fill. So click on sign login. Once you click on that verify email, you will get this page. See here we have the download for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So click on Linux. See here we have three types of downloads. Zip file, RPM. RPM is for like Oracle Linux, RHL, Fedora, etc. But for Ubuntu we have to download this Debian package and its size is 877 megabytes. So click on download now. Wait a moment, it will start the download. See, download started and its size is 877 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the Splunk.Debian package. So install it, sudo dpkg-i. Then give this Splunk, give the tab to autofill the Debian package name and hit enter. See, it is installing Splunk 9.4. Please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, we have successfully installed Ctrl L. Now verify the status of Splunk 9.4 Enterprise Edition on Ubuntu. So go to here, go to resources, then click on documentation, then select Splunk Enterprise, then scroll down, then click on installation manual, then select install Splunk Enterprise on Linux or Mac OS. Then select install on Linux. Then we have installed successfully, but to verify status of Splunk we have to run this command. See, Splunk is installed. Okay. Now we have to start the Splunk service. Click on this link. I will keep this link and this link in the video description. So start it and create the administrator credentials. So click on start Splunk, but before that try to connect to Splunk. Localhost port number 8000. Hit enter. See, unable to connect. Okay. So we have to start it and create the administrator credentials by clicking on Start Splunk Enterprise for the first time. Click on it. Then scroll down. Now we have to go to installation directory. CD, OPT, LS. See here we have the Splunk. CD, Splunk, LS. See here we have the Splunk related files. Then go to CD bin, LS. See here we have list of the Splunk files. Okay. So we have to start by using this command. Sudo //Splunk. Then start. Hit enter. This is the license agreement. Just to press spacebar on keyboard until we get this agreement. So type I and hit enter. Type I and hit enter. Now enter the administrator username. I am giving admin, but you can give like Splunk admin. Anything is fine. I am giving admin. Hit enter. Then provide the password for this account. Confirm the same. See, now Splunk service is starting. See, Splunk service is started and this is the web server. If you want to connect to web interface, this is the command, or simply you can connect by using this one also. If you hit enter, we will get the login console. See, we got this Splunk Enterprise login console or signing console. Or you can copy this one, copy it, then go to here, new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, both are same. Here I have given localhost. Here we have given the host name. See, this is the host name. Just if you want to verify again, host name. See, this is the host name. Here also this is the host name. Okay. So go to here or any page. Then username is administrator that we have created. Then provide the password of this account. Then click on sign in. Not now. Got it. So we have successfully logged into the Splunk Enterprise. Click on administrator account settings. If you want to change the password, first we have to provide the current password, then we have to provide the new password, then we have to click on save. Or if you want to create new user, click on settings. See here we have the different options. If you want to add data, you can add, explore data, monitoring, console, etc. If you want to create users, click on users. See, this is the user that we have created. This is the administrator. Okay. So click on new user. Then we have to fill all these details. Then we have to click on create. I am cancelling this one. Okay. If you want to go back to home page, click on Splunk Enterprise. So we have successfully connected with the localhost. Here with the host name also. Give the same username and password. Then click on sign in. We got the same console. We can also connect by using loopback IP, that is 127.0.0.1. Then give the port number 8000. Hit enter. See, it is loading. See, you got the same console. You can also connect by using IP address, IP ADDR. See, this is the IP. So copy it, paste here, then give port number 8000. Otherwise, open new tab, paste here, hit enter. See, we got the same login console. Okay. So we have different ways. Now go to terminal. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart Splunk service on Ubuntu 24.04. So Ctrl L, sudo //Splunk, then stop. But you must be in this installation directory, then bin directory. Then hit enter. See, stopping Splunk D. See, we have successfully stopped. So click on reload. See, unable to connect. Okay. Why? Because if you want to connect, Splunk server must be always started. But we can't start by using sudo systemctl start or stop, then Splunk. It won't work. See, we don't have any service with the Splunk or Splunk D also. See, we don't have service. Okay, so start it again, sudo /Splunk, then start, hit enter. See, now it is starting. We have successfully started. We can verify the status. Instead of start, give the status, hit enter. See, Splunk D is running. Now reload this page. See, now we will get the login page. Okay, if you want to restart Splunk service, give the sudo Splunk, just give restart instead of status, hit enter. See, now first it is stopping Splunk D service. Once it stopped, then it will be started. See, now it is starting. See, it is working. We have successfully installed Splunk 9.4 Enterprise Edition. Now go to home directory, cd, downloads, ls. This file is not required because we have successfully installed Splunk 9.4 on Ubuntu. So remove it, Splunk rm, Splunk, then tab, hit enter, ls. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure Splunk 9.4 Enterprise Edition on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. For more Splunk tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.